Home is full of everyday objects we use all the time. Learning their names in English helps you speak naturally in daily life. Sofa, sofa, sofa. We relax on the sofa after dinner. Armchair, armchair, armchair. Grandpa sits in his armchair and reads. Coffee table, coffee table, coffee table. I put the magazines on the coffee table. Bookshelf, bookshelf, bookshelf. The bookshelf is full of novels. Curtains, curtains, curtains. The curtains are blue and very light. Rug carpet, rug carpet, rug carpet. The rug makes the room warmer. TV, TV, TV. They are watching football on TV. Remote control, remote control, remote control. The remote is under the sofa. Clock, clock, clock. The clock on the wall is very old. Painting, painting, painting. There's a painting of flowers on the wall.